Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, baby. Squeeze me oh so tight. Put your lips next to mine, dear. Won't you kiss me once, baby? Just a kiss goodnight.
Hey guys, it's me, your sister Yunyani here, and I'm so happy to be introducing you to Skin & Lab's Dr. Color Effect Red Cream today. This red cream is an amazing cream for anti-aging, brightening, and healthy skin. It has a really dense and concentrated gel texture that just glides on your skin so smoothly. It contains rose stem cells extracted from 1 million damas, and another main ingredient is called phyto-red complex, which is just packed with antioxidants. And oh my gosh, this smells so good. It smells like it's just packed with the scent of roses. The how-to is super simple. All you have to do is after cleansing, number 1, tone your skin. Number 2, use your serum or ampoule. And number 3, use this as your moisturizer. I also love popping it in the fridge for about 5 minutes for that extra cooling effect. All right guys, hope you guys enjoyed that and hope you guys get to check out this red cream.
Hi, I'm Lori Bergamato, Style Director at Good Housekeeping Magazine, and today we're talking about skincare. It can be really overwhelming to see the thousands of products that you see in the marketplace, and so many of them come with really serious promises and really hefty price tags. So at the Good Housekeeping Institute, we set out to see what actually makes a product work. And to do that, we took the newly formulated Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Cream, which is a Good Housekeeping seal holder, and we put it up against 10 prestige skin creams with price tags ranging from $26 to $440. Now, the Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Cream is available at most drugstores, and it costs $26.99. So we wanted to see, how would this perform against 10 luxury skin creams? Now, I'm happy to report that our chemists and experts collected 10,000 data points from clinical and blinded consumer testings, and cue the horns, the Olay outperformed them all. But why? What made it so much better than these other skin creams? Well, it was a few things. First of all, it has superior ingredients to help moisturize and plump. And that's really what keeps you looking young, is hydrated, plump skin. So Olay was fast acting. Over a period of 3 hours, we saw that it had moisturized 400% better than a different skin cream with a price tag that was 18 times the Olay $26.99 price tag. We also saw that it was long lasting. So over a period of 24 hours, it was still increasing moisture by 50%. It has a lightweight texture, and I know a lot of you will feel me on this. Sometimes you get one of those really intensely hydrating creams and it just feels like it's weighing your skin down. This one, consumers reported, felt rich but not heavy. And also the benefits accumulate over time, and this is really key because it has powerhouse anti-aging skincare ingredients like niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. So we saw that the benefits really were working over time, and over a period of 4 weeks, we saw that it improved skin's texture by 10%. That's major. Also major is that Olay research showed that 80% of your skin's anti-aging destiny is actually within your control. And it's not related to genes like so many of us have thought, you know, oh, well, my grandmother aged or my mom has wrinkles. Don't worry about it. You can go to a drugstore and pay under $27, and 80% of controlling that anti-aging destiny is in your hands. So you can feel confident, and you don't have to pay those $440 price tags to feel like you're going to be able to keep your skin in the best condition possible with a cream like the Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Cream. For more information, please check out the May issue of Good Housekeeping or log on to olay.com.
In time we get old, Which affects our skin the most? Our skin reduces the production of collagen, and as a result wrinkles and fine lines are formed. As a result we look aged. So we came up with 5 best collagen cream that will improve the elasticity of the skin and fight aging properties. Let's check the 5 best collagen cream for face. The Mizon Collagen Cream is our 5th preferred collagen cream with reinforced formula of anti-wrinkles. It is formulated with 75% of marine collagen extract for skin elasticity and moisturizes for a long time. It also helps to soothe and lift skin. The dermatologist-tested Mizon Collagen Cream has no artificial coloring, fragrance, or parabens. Check some real reviews from the users. How to use. Apply it as the final stage of skin care, spread evenly and let it absorb. It's time to rate this collagen cream. In terms of users' acceptance, we want to rate it 4 out of 5. In terms of value, we rate it 5 out of 5. It's available at around $17. Our rating for its price is 4 out of 5. The Genes Vitamin E Creme is a blessing for dry and aging skin. It is formulated with Swiss collagen that protects and helps revive your skin, healing naturally. It also contains blend of vitamin E, A and D, which are all great for skin and protect your skin from damages that can cause wrinkling, scarring and premature aging. Check some real reviews from the users. How to use. Apply on your face twice daily. It's time to rate this collagen cream. In terms of users' acceptance, we want to rate it 4 out of 5. This No One pharmacist recommended foot cream shows great results. In terms of value, we rate it 5 out of 5. It's available at around $15. Our rating for its price is 4 out of 5. The Pond's Rejuveness Anti-Aging Face Cream is our 3rd preferred collagen cream that will fight against aging while diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It is formulated with collagen and alpha-hydroxy acids, AHA, that helps to increase skin strength and elasticity, gently removes dull surface skin cells and soothes fine lines. The dermatologist-tested Pond's Rejuveness Anti-Aging Face Cream will smooth the appearance of fine lines in 2 weeks. Check some real reviews from the users. How to use. After cleansing, apply to face and neck twice daily. It's time to rate this collagen cream. In terms of users' acceptance, we want to rate it 4 out of 5. This collagen cream shows result within 2 weeks. In terms of value, we rate it 5 out of 5. It's available at around $14. Our rating for its price is 5 out of 5. The Advanced Clinicals Collagen Skin Rescue Lotion will make your skin look younger by reducing the wrinkle, fine lines and sagging skin. You can use in your neck and hand as well. It is formulated with pure collagen that will help to fight the signs of aging. It also contains green tea, aloe vera and chamomile that will help to moisturize to truly reinvigorate the skin. Let's check some reviews. How to use. Apply collagen moisture filler moisturizer every day and night on the face. It's time to rate this collagen cream. As we mentioned earlier, the L'Oreal Collagen Face Moisturizer is one of the highest-selling collagen cream on Amazon. In terms of users' acceptance, we want to rate it 5 out of 5. This collagen cream really works like magic within 1 to 4 weeks. In terms of value, we rate it 5 out of 5. It's available at around $12. Our rating for its price is 5 out of 5. So, these are our picks for 5 best collagen creams. We have selected all these products based the user's response and recommendations. Outcomes and using experience may vary from one skin type to another.